Ever wondered how to make a delicious chicken tortilla soup at home? Well, wonder no more. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to making this flavorful, comforting dish right in your own kitchen. First, you'll need to gather all your ingredients. You will need vegetable oil, a small onion, minced garlic, finely diced jalapenos, low-sodium chicken broth, a can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, a can of black beans, boneless and skinless chicken breasts, limes, salt, and freshly ground black pepper, fresh cilantro leaves, a flour tortilla, an avocado, and shredded Monterey cheese. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large saucepan. Add the diced onions and cook for 2 minutes. Once the onions have softened, it's time to add the garlic and jalapenos, cooking for another minute. Next, pour in the chicken broth, tomatoes, and beans into the pot and bring everything to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat to a simmer and add in the chicken breasts. The chicken will need to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot. When it's cool enough to handle, shred it and set it aside. Now it's time to add some zesty flavor. Squeeze in the juice of 2 limes and add a cup of roughly chopped fresh cilantro to the pot. To serve, place a mound of shredded chicken in a serving bowl. Ladle the soup over the chicken and top it off with a lime wedge, grilled tortilla strips, avocado slices, and cheese. And there you have it, a delicious, homemade chicken tortilla soup. It's a combination of fresh ingredients and hearty flavors, all in a single bowl. This recipe is not only simple to make, but it's also a great way to warm up on a chilly day. In summary, start by sautéing onions, garlic, and jalapenos in vegetable oil. Then add chicken broth, tomatoes, and beans to the pot and bring to a boil. Add the chicken, and once cooked, remove and shred it. Add lime juice and cilantro, ladle over shredded chicken in a bowl, and top with lime, tortilla strips, avocado, and cheese. So go ahead, give it a try, and savor the flavors of this homemade chicken tortilla soup. Enjoy.